Welcome back to another video on the League Exotic Essentials. My name's Edward. In today's video, I want to be teaching you the best method to get the crunchiest waffles. So, I experimented with making all different types of waffles. Chocolate chip waffles, blueberry waffles. One time I made waffles using a different type of flour because I ran out of regular flour and it didn't come out good. Well, it didn't taste good. That's what it was. But the best method to get Belgian waffles to look like this, to look crispy, is to slow cook it. And if you have a waffle iron, because with mine it go from 1 to 5. So the best way to make it as crunchy as possible is if you set it to 1 and let it slow cook. Because the slower you let it cook, the crunchier the waffles will be. Thank you. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.